Hey friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Stock Dr. RR. Today we are going to analyze Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, commodities gold, silver and economic calendar. This video will be very important because I have identified some patterns which are showing us a major trend. So stay tuned, stick to this channel, watch complete video and then take your investment as well as trading decision. So let's go ahead and see the economic calendar first. We have important data point coming on 25th of October, that is on Wednesday. Fed Chairman Powell speech on that day. You will see after the speech there can be a trend, big trend shift into the market. Then on Thursday we have durable goods order, GDP growth rate, and on Friday we have core PC index, price index, personal income MOM, personal spending MOM. So let's go ahead and start the analysis. One more thing I observed here, on November 1st, Wednesday, we have Fed interest rate decision. So looks like from Wednesday till next Wednesday, or let's say Friday, there will be a lot of momentum into the market. So let's go ahead and see the charts. Okay, so one important thing, I have not changed the levels which we plotted last week. If you have seen the last week video, this is the last week video here. Whatever levels we drawn there, we just kept that as it is, and on those levels we are going to talk today because we want to understand what we predicted last week and what happened. So this is the day chart of Nasdaq 100. We did our analysis on this day. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we did our analysis on this day, Friday closing. On this closing candle, right? The 15,100 market closed here, and then we did the analysis on Saturday. I mentioned that there is a support into the market at 15,050. If that gets break, then you will see the level of 14,950, 14,800 and 14,600. And I clearly mentioned, if you guys remember, you can go ahead and check that video. I clearly mentioned with this drawing, okay, I remember I mentioned that market has resistance here, second, third, fourth and fifth. Unless and until we don't cross this resistance trend line like this, right? We should not be buyer into the market. Clearly indicated on the Discord channel also. Unless and until we don't break 15,500, we will not be buyer into market. And you see, guys, here we never crossed 15,500 and we didn't initiate a buy position. So that is very important. We should respect those levels, respect the setup. If the setup is saying, unless I don't cross 15,500, I should not go and buy into the market. And you see after that, consecutively three, dark red candles came and, market went down. So now, again, the same thing. I'm seeing a major breakdown in the market, which might be possible. Don't get surprised. So let us see what I have seen in the market or on the charts and whether that is possible. So what I have seen here, see, there is a major upside and followed by this downtrend, again a bounce back and then down, again a bounce back and down. You see there is no higher highs. The highs are lower highs, right? And the bottoms are, trying to be a higher bottoms, right? Uh, so lower bottoms, I think, I guess, right? So this says right now we are at very, very important support levels, and that is 14,600, right? So if we break 14,600, then also there is one more support level, right? So 14,600, this red this line is a first important support. If we break this 14,600, then the next support level is coming around this level. Okay, so today we are going to draw a live horizontal candle. Okay, yeah, so 14,200 and 13,950, these are two important levels are pending. Okay, there might be possibility if big sell-off come, then you can see 14,280 and 13,950 also. Right now 14,600 is an important and major support. You might see a bounce back in the market for 14,800, 14,950, and maybe 15,050. And after it hit this resistance, then again it might go down. Okay, so this can be possibilities, so we need to watch and trade very carefully. Okay, I would say either one should take the trade if it breaks 14,600, then you have these levels for sure. But if it respects 14,600, then there might be possibility that you will see the reversal because market went down very much. Okay, so this is about Nasdaq 100, and if we break this 14,600 again, then you will see that this a channel breakdown. Okay, this form a channel on a longer time frame. If the channel gives a breakdown, then you will see the breakdown can come till this point also. Okay, this 13,000, 13,400, 13,200 level also. So we need to respect these levels and we need to act accordingly. Second we have is Dow Jones. Dow Jones, I mentioned clearly about Dow Jones, Nasdaq and S&P 500 in last week video that we should stay away from these three indexes because they are showing a downside. And you see here, we did analysis here, then on Monday it went up and then it respected the resistance 34,100 and then came down from here, and below 13,000, 33,600, I mentioned that 33,300 is 33,350 is the first support and second is 33,000. So the same pattern here you can see for this thing. You can see if it breaks 33,000, then definitely will come around 32,500. So we need to see right now. You can see 33,000 is a support for Dow Jones. If it doesn't break that support, there is a possibility that it can come up. If it starts trading above 33,350, then 33,600 is possible, and then 33,700, 33,900 is possible, and then again it might come down. So in nutshell, I would say it's a sell on rise market now. Okay, you can see here same pattern here, 4250 4250 is an important support, right? I'm seeing that after this big downfall, there should be some bounce back, right? But that bounce back will be get sell off, and market will go in a downtrend again. So very important week this is, this week and next week. Lot of things are going to happen right now. If you see S&P 500 is sitting as very important and major support, right? High possibility that on shorter time frame it will go up, okay, but eventually it might go down. If on those days where there is an event is coming, if these events like interest rate is there and the Powell speech is there, if that gives some positive momentum in the market, then chart can change their trend and you can see a reversal in the market. For gold and silver, I clearly mentioned in the last week. You can see here, I mentioned on this breakout that on Friday's breakout that we closed on 1942. I mentioned that 2000 is the target, and you can see the target is achieved. After 2000 target achieved, it is again trying to retest. It may come down little bit, like 1950, 1920, right? And then again it can start its reversal. And this time, this breakout is very good here. You can see this this was a resistance, this was a resistance, this was a resistance, and it gave a very nice breakout here. Now this breakout should get sustained. I am going to see, or I would like to see 2050, 2100. These are the targets for gold. Okay, so I'm bullish in the gold. Silver, same thing. Right now, both are opened, gap down right now. You can see gold has opened 0.8% down, silver 0.85. Same pattern here for the silver also. You can see 22.50 is a major support. You can see there was a first resistance here, second resistance here, third resistance here. It gave a uh, breakout, and then it after breakout it is taking some uh, retest, and then again you can see this $24. If it cross successfully, then you will see all this level of 24.50. Sorry, I said 23. 24 is the important resistance. If it cross that, then 24.50, 25.50. And once it crossed $26, then you can see silver has a very big upside pending. So this is all about today's video, my friends. Again, one more time, market is at very crucial level. High possibility market can go down more from here, and that is like almost 5% minimum. That is the possibility. If on the events, if some good news happens, then you will see the change in the market. Otherwise, this is a sell on rise market. If you have some of the big portfolio in the market, definitely you should hedge with gold and silver. I mentioned so many times, and you can take your decision based on that. I saw some of the charts of this important stock of important. Uh, these are the important stocks of Nasdaq 100. We will just talk Tesla here. You can see Tesla is at important support level here, right? Uh, if Tesla managed to stay above, to 210, then high possibility that Tesla can reverse like this until till 2240. But if Tesla goes down again from 200, then you will see more lower targets coming for the Tesla. I mentioned this talk on the Discord channel, so I just thought to show the chart of this. So this is all about, my friends. I hope you learned something out of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos which I make on this channel. And last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Good luck, my friends. Bye.